Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some fascinating facts about our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. You know, that big, bright, round thing in the sky that's been inspiring poets and scientists for millennia? Well, it turns out the Moon is far more interesting than just a pretty face in the cosmic dark. Stick around to learn something new. Okay, space cadets, buckle up. You might think the Moon is just hanging out up there, orbiting us like a good little satellite, and it is in a way. But here's the thing. The Moon is also a bit of a slow-motion escape artist. It's true. Every year, the Moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth. That's about the width of your thumb, so it's not like we're going to lose it tomorrow, but over millions of years. That adds up. This lunar retreat is caused by the same gravitational dance that creates tides here on Earth. As the Moon pulls on our oceans, the Earth actually transfers some of its rotational energy to the Moon, giving it a little boost. It's like the Earth is giving the Moon a teeny tiny push further out into space. Remember when we thought the Moon was just a big dusty rock? Well, surprise! It turns out our lunar buddy is hiding a secret stash of water. Yep, you heard that right. Scientists have found evidence of water molecules trapped within the lunar soil, particularly near the poles where it's perpetually shadowed and super cold. This isn't just some scientific curiosity either. This lunar water is a game changer. It could potentially be used for drinking water, oxygen production, and even rocket fuel for future lunar missions. Forget packing water bottles for the trip. We might be making moonshakes up there someday. Chapter 3. Earthquakes are bad enough, right? But imagine a quake on the Moon. They're called moonquakes, and while they don't involve tectonic plates like ours, they're still a pretty big deal. You see, the Moon might seem calm and serene, but it's actually experiencing a constant gravitational tug-of-war with Earth. This cosmic push and pull generates stress within the lunar crust. And sometimes, bam, moonquake. Most moonquakes are pretty small, but some can be surprisingly powerful, lasting for hours. Don't worry though, they're not strong enough to shake apart your lunar base. Yet. Chapter 4. Have you ever looked up at the Moon and wondered, where did you come from? Well, the leading theory in astrophysics is a real cosmic drama. It's called the Giant Impact Hypothesis, and it goes a little something like this. Billions of years ago, when the Earth was still a young, hot mess, a Mars-sized object slammed into our planet with a cataclysmic boom. The impact was so powerful it vaporized chunks of both the Earth and the impactor, flinging them out into space. Over time, this debris coalesced, drawn together by gravity, and voila, the Moon was born. It's a violent origin story for sure, but hey, nobody ever said the universe was a gentle place. Chapter 5. So you want to breathe on the Moon? Well, bad news, friend. You'll need a spacesuit for that. The Moon technically does have an atmosphere, but it's so thin and tenuous that scientists call it an exosphere. Unlike Earth's atmosphere, which is a cozy blanket of nitrogen and oxygen, the lunar exosphere is made up of super-thin traces of elements like helium, argon, and sodium. It's so thin, in fact, that atoms and molecules rarely collide. They basically just bounce around like tiny ping-pong balls. This lack of a substantial atmosphere is why the Moon doesn't have weather as we know it. No wind, no rain, no lunar rainbows. Just a whole lot of quiet, starry skies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these cool facts about the Moon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. There's so much more to explore out there in the vast cosmic ocean. From the mysteries of black holes to the search for life beyond Earth, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep looking up.